Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have just witnessed a moment worth remembering in the life of these young boys and girls. May they forever look back on this part of their life with joy in their hearts.
Congratulations to all the graduates and to all the parents. Thank you for entrusting your children to Dominican School. May we remain partners in shaping the minds and hearts of our beloved sons and daughters.